Hey, what's up guys, Ollie here. So a few weeks back I shared a sort of transparent iPhone look. I got a lot of questions about it, I got a lot of queries, I got a lot of likes on Instagram, a lot of questions about it on Twitter and Instagram both. Lots of people just messaging me, how did I make my iPhone look transparent? Well, it's actually a very easy and simple trick. So all you've got to do is download a wallpaper. I'll leave a link in the description. You apply that wallpaper onto your phone, you line it properly, and then bang, you've got a phone that basically looks like it's transparent. The wallpaper I've got is only for the iPhone 10, and the wallpaper is actually from a website called iFixit. If you haven't heard of iFixit before, basically they like fix phones and they show you different guides and they offer different tools on how to fix your phone. Great website and everything. They have wallpapers for various devices, not every device, but various devices, and obviously with the iPhone 10 being quite a popular device, they have a wallpaper for the iPhone 10. Once you download the wallpaper and you've aligned it and you've set it all up, it looks awesome. It really does look like you can see the inside of your phone. iFixit have done an incredible job of taking the photo of the inside of the iPhone 10 to align it just right. You can even see little details like the size of your battery, you can see all the sort of like safety logos, you can see like all sorts really, you can see the Taptic engine. It's pretty awesome. It's a very simple little trick that makes your iPhone look transparent. I thought I'd share it because I know a lot of people are intrigued at how you can make your iPhone look transparent. But there's no sort of trickery, there's no magic. It's as simple as just applying a wallpaper. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little video on how to do it. Make sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, all that sort of jazz. And thanks for watching.